In this video, I will describe what's new in the new version of scada 2, version 71. In this new version, we add new graphical object trend industry DB trend. The main features of industry DB trend, like of trend DB, it uses the same database like trend DB, main general history DB. In our case, we set up it SQLite, but you can set up any database you want. The main features of industry DB trend are the same like in trend DB and other trends, but there are some differences. For example, curves purposes let you use own access for any curve. And also it's possible to use draw marker for points for the curve. In our case, we set draw marker for cos tag. Also, it's possible to stop your own axis, as I said before, and place it right or left, and choose for this axis range, or choose after range if you want. Also, we add possibles to add periods for data displayed on the trend. You can set up label and value. It's the value between now and before now in minutes. For example, 10 minutes, 1 hour, it's 60 minutes, and you can set up 0 to choose your own period, like in previous versions of trends. It's also possible to set up after fresh, like in previous versions, and set up animation for zooming. And you can choose some plugins. Zoomer, cross indicator doesn't work when you choose multiple axes. It works only when you choose one axis. And you can set up tooltip plugin to display value when mouse moving. Okay, we set up some project and scripts. In script, we change some values in every cycle period. Every cycle we choose 100 milliseconds. It's possible to use for demonstration purposes. For production, it's very quickly, and it's cause of the high CPU load and RAM load. Let's run, and you can see the values are displayed. You can hide some text. In our example, we hide some text, and you can choose custom and hide text there. You can see we choose only sin and cos in our case, and you can choose period. By using scripts, we set up changing at refresh, so you can choose periods and display the period you want to look. For example, we choose here, and you can see the period you want. And by using zoomer plugin, you can zoom in and zoom out values you want. Also, you can, by using wheel of the mouse, changing period, changing zooming, and you can change zoom or fix and off of the value. If you want to use cross indicator, you have to turn off your own axis. And you can choose cross indicator that will be displayed and you can see the value and the time of the value on the cross indicator. Which also in the new version we add some optimizations. We optimize events log, so it's works faster than in previous version. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email in our